In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram account private. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them that in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up Instagram and go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. You're going to end up on a page that looks like this. And on your profile, tap the three lines up in the top right corner to open up your settings and activity. But from here, you need to go ahead and scroll down until you see who can see your content, which is about in the middle of the screen right now. You're going to see account privacy on here. Go ahead and tap on that and you're going to see a private account little like tick box right here. Go ahead and tick that on. It's then going to let you know that your followers can see your photos and videos. It does not change who can message, tag, or mention you, so just keep that in mind. But if you don't see a private account option, you're probably using a creator or professional account. You need to switch back to a personal account first and then return here and tick private account on. But hit switch to private, confirm that you're going on a private account, and once you do that, you are good to go. I'm actually not going to do that right now. And if y'all want to follow me, go ahead and follow me right there. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.